Well, the market slipped a bit from day's high yesterday and from all-time highs, of course. Now the gap is a bit more, 91 points. SGX Nifty is indicating we'll have a flat start, just about 5 points in the green. Now remember, that's of course for Nifty futures. So you have to adjust the futures premium and you arrive at somewhere around 11,680 or thereabout on the Nifty spot. Ashwini Gujral, Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitesh Thakkar now join us. Good morning. Ashwini, yesterday, of course, the market slipped in last hour. Today, it looks like the opening will be flat. Would that be a buying opportunity?
Well, good morning. And often when this last hour selling happens, the next day the market tends to recover and possibly gets back towards the point from where it fell. So the first trade I want to take is, 11,000, basically is 600 thereabouts. If we open around there or open and then go there, you want to buy into the market. Similarly, Bank Nifty, while it did break a couple of supports, but I think it'll take a while for the market to give up all its momentum. So early morning, you want to buy into whatever declined yesterday.
Fair enough. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Sudarshan, what would you do today or positionally?
Yeah, good morning. Well, the market trend is up, and this half-hour late decline is, part of the course. These things will happen. So I'm not worried about that affecting the trend. If the market trend is up, if the Nifty is likely to make those lifetime new highs, then I would like to be a buyer at any dip. Now today I would expect sideways action in the markets, in the Nifty and Nifty Bank both. So this is really an opportunity to go long if you don't have a position. There's no rush, that's the only point, because sideways means the markets could chop around throughout the day. So any dip towards 10,620, 630, that range would be an opportunity to go long if you don't already have a position. Stay on the long side.
Okay, stay on the long side. Mitesh Thakkar also joins in to give us his view. Mitesh, hi, good morning. Do you also believe that even if we do get some blip here and there over the next couple of days, positionally, it still makes sense to keep a long position going?
Good morning. I think we might get a slightly deeper kind of a cut in the sense that, yesterday we advised taking out or booking profits on long positions. And the idea is that when you approach all-time highs after a long rally, you're overbought, you're quite far away from your moving averages. There's a higher probability of the first attempt failing to get past those levels, and some kind of consolidation would be required. Now, that could mean 11,550, 530, which was the last breakout point. That could be the lower end of the range, and this is the first day, so we are just kind of anticipating that. 11,550, 11,750, broadly 20 points here and there. I think that's the range which I think the markets will do. In that sense, I think the idea should be to change your strategy from going or holding plain long positions to buy on dips kind of strategy, because yes, the medium-term trend is still on the upside. So I would try to book profits closer to about 11,700, which is what we've done yesterday. But anything below 11,600 would be a buying opportunity for me.
Okay, 11,600 is the level that everyone is zeroing in terms of buying opportunity. But the clear trend is that you still want to buy the dip. At least that's what emerging. Let's talk stocks then. Sudarshan, good morning. What's on your list?
Well, it's mainly mid-caps. And earlier you were talking about, or Lata was saying IT, and that's where the focus is. So I'm looking at buying and suggesting a buy in Hexaware. Hexaware is also a positional trade for buyers. It's been in a trading range for almost 6 months now, and that range is breaking on the upside. Yesterday was a very good day for it. So consider buying Hexaware and TCS. TCS also is giving signs of a breakout from a 4-week trading range. ID should generally do well, while not directly correlated with the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq did do very well yesterday. So Hexaware and TCS are buying ideas. Berger Paints continues to be in an upswing. Yesterday was a handsome gain for it. I think there will be follow through. That's a buy. I have 2 short sells. That short sells are always intraday. Z Entertainment, where a resistance level has kicked in and the stock is falling, and Escort, surprisingly, where all kinds of funny things are happening on the charts, but it's coming down.
Yeah, we had fundamental reasons also why we thought both those stocks could fall. Ashwini, your picks?
See, Adani Enterprise is a buy with a stop of 148, target of 160. BEL is a buy with a stop of 94, target of 102. IRB Infra is a buy with a stop of 150, target of 164. Reliance Industries is a buy with a stop of 1375, a target of 1430. And Bajaj Finserv is a buy with a stop of 7100, target of 7260.
Okay, big moves have come in to Bajaj Finserv over the last 1 month or so. Mitesh, what about you? What would be on your list, buy or sell this morning?
Yeah. So I have three, buys to one sell. The sell is on Britannia, where the intraday charts yesterday turned negative. So keep a very tight stop at 30.76. Look for declines to about 29.80. On the buy side, I have ICICI Pru, which made a swing resistance breakout. So buy with the stop at 353. Look for targets of 385. IT Pack was strong yesterday. Infosys is now showing signs of positive expansion. So that's a buy with the stop at 740. Look for targets of 785. And L&T is giving some continuation signals. That's a buy with a stop at 1395 for targets of 1450.
All right, gentlemen, thank you very much. We've got lots more questions.